Okay, let's start. She said in China they like broccoli. They like it so much. So this is our final stage of cooking. Yeah. Wow. A lot of dishes on ground though. Making I can't see. Now see. Did you see a lot of dishes? This needs to be done very well. It doesn't take time though because it's soft on its own.
Yes, it doesn't take time.
Why do you like making use of salt and oyster?
We make like
I notice anytime she's cooking, she make use of oyster sauce and soy sauce. Can you see? Here it is. We're gonna fry. Like I said earlier, they don't like too much oil. So
I don't like it.
she said she doesn't like it.
I don't like it too much because it make me fat.
Oh, she said taking too much oil, not even too much. She doesn't like it, that it make her fat. And she doesn't want to be fat, as you can see her.
I don't like
Can you
fat.
see her? She doesn't like fat because she's lepacious. You see her?
My tummy.
Oh, because of your tummy.
I don't like fat. If guys, my tummy will be, oh my god.
Oh my God, you even like the body.
Yeah, I don't like fat. You
Okay.
see, like the dress I wear always so tight. So
Mm,
if I have
at least it should be free. Oh, okay. She doesn't want to have a fat body. Reason why she doesn't make use of too much vegetable oil. Ndo?
no.
Ndo means well done in our language. Well done.